In this video, we are going to see how we can make the payment against the purchase of services in Odoo. So we have the transaction of 18th of January which says paid Mr. Anthony by check of Standard Chartered Bank and we are paying 3,000. Now what is the total bill and when it was entered? It was just entered in the recent transaction. We are on 18th January, we purchased the packing services from Mr. Anthony. So the total amount is 4,500 and we are paying 3,000 out of it. That means this is a partial settlement. So first of all, guys, if you want to enter and match it against the bill, just go to the vendors and find the bill first. Click on bills. And here is the invoice of Mr. Anthony. Just click or open it from here and click on pay. We are paying it by bank. Now we just need to make sure that whether the Standard Chartered Bank is connected at the background or not. So just close here, click on the configurations and click on journals. And here we can see the bank is linked to Standard Chartered Bank. So that's great. Let's click on the bills again. Open this bill, click on pay, and now it's all fine. Recipient bank account, click on create, and you can mention all of the details here, like their account number, their clearing reference, and all the other details. Click save and click on create payment. But we need to see how much do you need to pay. So we need to pay 3,000 out of the total invoice. Payment date is the current date or the transaction date, which is 18th of January. And in the memo, you can either keep it as it is, or we just copy it from here and paste it right here. So click on create payment and now it is shown as in payment. And as we can see here, if we click on the reporting and partner ledger, it's still not showing right here. The balance should be 1,500 only. So what is the reason? Let's go and see. Click on the vendors and click on payments here. It's still showing in process. So let's open this and click on validate. Now the in process status is changed to paid. We just go to the vendor payments again and now it is showing as paid. Let's go to the reporting and click on the partner ledger now. And after that, if you click on partner ledger report, it might update after some time. So that's how it is done. Sometimes it takes some time to update this. And that's how we can deal with the payment for purchase of services in Odoo. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.